Alright guys, today I'm installing the brake booster delete. This is the kit right here. That's the delete plate. And they give you this right here is a template so that you can mark the right hole. You just gotta drill out a new hole for your pivot because this completely changes a bunch of stuff. So it gives you the right braking ratio. This is what I gotta do now is take this bad boy out. I already got these all loosened up. The really pain in the ass part was bench bleeding this without a vise. That was not fun, but it's all bench bled, all good to go. Alright guys, so now this is the kind of sketchy part of this whole install. You have to take your brake pedal out. All it is a nut and bolt right here, and then there's a little pin right here that you'll have to just take apart. It just slides out. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a little bit hard to record and get to it, so I'm not going to bother. So you're going to grab the nut and bolt, and you're going to grab this little plate right here. This you're going to put into right here on the hole, like that, and then you're going to tighten this up. Yeah. Alright, now that that's drilled, I'm going to use a, what did I say, 5/16? And that is approximately 1 inch above. Alright guys, as you can see, we have our little custom, whatever you want to call it. You want to make sure this guides in nicely. First, you're going to want to get rid of these. Okay guys, so once you get that all together and tightened up, you're going to go ahead and take out this vacuum line. You could do it before, it might be easier, but that's when I took it out. And then right here on your valve cover, or your intake manifold, you got a little nub. And they supply you with a little thing to go over. And yeah, I'm going to zip tie that because that does not go tightly over it. Because I produce boost and that'll go shot right off. But yeah. So now it goes on to the bleeding part. Everything's in. I'm just going to top this off. Then I'm going to hop in the car. And Cody's going to go down to furthest wheel. And we're going to start bleeding the calipers. Alright, so we ran into a couple issues when we went to go bleed the brakes. And one of the lines broke. And so I had to wait a couple days. Got a new line from Mazda. It's in there. The brakes are bled. And I had all weekend to pretty much drive around, cruise around, and test it out. And I have to say, wow, what a huge difference. Like, I really enjoy it. I thought it was gonna be way worse, and it's really not that bad. When you're going low speeds, it's almost not even noticeable. When you're going high speeds is when you start to realize that, like, hey, I have to, like, push the brakes. And yeah, I mean, do I regret it? Nope. I think it's a sick mod. Yeah, it cleans up the engine bay real nice. I'm gonna get in there, I'm gonna sand it all up and paint it now so it looks real clean. It's a nice kit. I definitely recommend it from home. There's a huge learning gap, that's for sure. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I really do enjoy it. Seems like a pretty solid kit, so I recommend it for sure. Definitely can't wait to test it out on the track. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.